Object property, rock-in joining. With this tool, you can branch all objects without changing its start endpoints. This start endpoint still remains, as we already defined while creating design. Here, we have some line objects. Here, you can see, all objects start endpoints are different. Now we will select the object and press Join Branches button. Now, we will set start endpoint of object. Now, press E shortcut key, and play machine, and check how it is play. Here, you can see that, after branching, all object start endpoint has been changed. Now we will select the object and open Object Property Filling Parameters. Then click on Rock-in Joining button. Now, we will be branching all objects by pressing Ctrl+J shortcut key. Now, we will set start endpoint of object. Now, press E shortcut key, and play machine, and check how it is play. Here, you can see that, after branching, all object start and endpoint have not changed.
Rock-in joining button.
Shortcut key is Ctrl+K.